Center, top end 251 request. Turn around to Alice Springs direct. Opposite normal for the moment.
Top end 251, roger. Turn left or right as required and clear to Alice Springs direct, maintaining flight level 230.
Clear left or right as required, flight level 230 direct to Alice, and request descent shortly, top end 251.
Top end 251, roger. Descend when ready to 8,000 and the Alice QNH 1020.
8,000, 1020, top end 251.
Velocity 1459, contact Brisbane Centre 134.0, g'day.
340, velocity 1459.
Top end 251, check inbound to Alice as you like, and when you're established on a radial, just advise what radial that is.
Top end 251.
Jetstar 660, leave controlled airspace descending and I reported IFR traffic, area QNH 1021.
CJ descending, QNH 1021, Jetstar 660.
Flight OK 40, contact me 119.8.
119.8, flight OK 40. Can I get a flight OK 40 maintaining flight level 230?
Flight OK 40 Centre. Connor 791, contact Centre 128.1, g'day.
91, yeah.
Top end 251, when you're able, just have a couple of quick questions for you.
By top end 251.
Flight OK 40 when ready, descend to 9000, Alice QNH 1020.
Top end 251.
Top end 251.
Top end 251, PANPAN. Top end 251, returning to Alice Springs. We have smoke in the cabin, and aircraft is okay for the moment, but our intention is to return for a visual approaching Alice Springs and request services on standby.
Top end 251 Melbourne Centre, roger PANPAN, and copy that information. I'll pass that along right away.
Top end 251.
Top end 251, the tower is aware of your situation. The airport has been placed on local standby, and you can contact them now on 118.3, identification terminated.
Thanks for your help, top end 251.
Flight OK 40, just due to that emergency aircraft inbound, descend for the moment to flight level 140 and stand by for lower.
Flight level 140, no problem. Flight OK 40, J1, just slow down.
Flight OK 40, I'll get back to you shortly.
251, Alice Tower, g'day, expect that. Report at 30 miles. Top end 251, I've been advised that you have smoke in the cabin. Can you, when able, request your POB and any dangerous cargo? 251, thanks, and the airfield will be placed on